everyone, welcome to your guidebook for occult self-help. My name is Vanessa. I am a spiritual healer, and today we are talking about raising your vibration. Now, this one's a really fun one because it does take a lot of inner work and a lot of outer work as well, but ultimately this is the best possible way to help you live your best life. So let's get into it. In this video you will learn what your vibration entails and what are some ways to raise your vibration, as well as some little tips and tricks that I have learned throughout the years as well. Everything in the world, the earth, the trees, the birds, your friends, your family, everything in this world is energy. Energy has vibrational wavelengths. Your chakras each have vibrational wavelengths as well. The crown chakra, your ascension, has the highest wavelength. When we raise ourselves onto that enlightenment field, that enlightenment energetic field, we bless ourselves with stronger intuition, more connection with spirit, with God, with the earth, and things just fall into place because you are essentially in perfect alignment with everything that you want. So some ways to raise your energy frequency, and if people like Ariana Grande, or like Jim Carrey, like people who you are ultimately just very attracted to in a vibrational field, like they have good vibes, if you will. Those are higher vibrational people. People like the Ascended Masters, Buddha, Jesus, like those are high vibrational people. Ultimately, we want to get to those fields, and you absolutely are perfectly capable of doing that. It just takes a little bit of work. So the first way of raising your vibration, I will always tell you, look at the foods that you're eating. If you're eating processed junk and things like that, it'll absolutely lower your energetic field. Whole fruits and vegetables is the best way to go. It'll ensure that when your body is clean, your mind is clean and clear, and you're able to attract what you want a lot easier. A story about a girl, and she went to the park and she was in her car eating ice cream, and she was seeing all those people like working out and trying to do all this thing, and essentially what she was seeing was these people are coming here to try to make themselves happy. I am here because I am happy. That became a very significant mantra for me. When I would show up to things, I would go to the park or take my daughter out for dinner or something, I would say, I am here because I am happy. I am existing in happiness here and now at this moment. I'm not here for this delicious meal to make me happy. I am happy. That's a really good mantra that helped me raise my vibration. Just existing in that present moment at all times. Being present, being aware, being here right now is an amazing way of raising your vibration. You will really see the difference when you are noticing synchronicities, when you're noticing angel numbers, or just the smell of nature, a butterfly comes your way. Like all of those little things are so immensely beautiful. When you stop and look at those things and savor those things and express gratitude. Thank you, God. That butterfly was gorgeous. Thank you so much. You're raising your vibrations. Gratitude is incredible, and it feels good to be grateful. It feels good to look on the bright side. It feels good to be optimistic about life. This world is beautiful. This world is full of magic and possibilities, and what more could we want, So I'll wake up every morning. It's part of my morning routine. I'll wake up at 5 a.m. I'll say, thank you, God, for waking me up. Thank you, God, for waking up my daughter. thank you, God, for this beautiful day that I'm about to have. You set your intention for the day. You say, this is going to be a gorgeous day. I'm going to do this, this, and this, and you analyze it from there. It helps you become more present and in the moment as your day goes by, and it helps you set into a mindset of gratitude, which will inevitably raise your vibration anytime you practice gratitude. Exercise, first of all, is also a great way of raising vibration, because when your body is active, your mind quiets down. So you want to activate your body, whether that's a quick yoga session, whether that's a quick run in the morning. When your body is active and tired, your mind can then flourish, and then from there you can receive all of the messages and all of the guidance that the universe has for you through that outlet. Another good thing is meditation is a beautiful way of raising your vibration. This is how you're going to get in contact with your spirit guides, your angels, your ancestors. I love meditation. It's such a gorgeous thing, and every time I come out of a session, you can literally, there comes a point where your vibration is so high that you feel your skin tingle, like you feel yourself vibrating on a higher level. It's beautiful. Another thing that I like to do is spiritual baths. Every time I come out of those, I sage myself before and after. Just give myself like a good cleanse. If you go clockwise, it's to attract something for you. If you go counterclockwise, it's to release something from you. Spirit baths are wonderful. I'll do like a quick concoction of like orange oil and roses or something, at least once a week I'll do this for myself, and it's just a way of being at peace. And from there, once you get into that mindset of gratefulness, of peace, of love, because ultimately the highest vibration, the highest good you can possibly become is a vibration of love. And I think that's a really beautiful thing. So those are some of the ways that you guys can help raise your vibration. If you want me to go in depth into any of those, please let me know in the comments below. Make sure to hit subscribe and let me know what other things you guys want me to talk about. I'm having a lot of fun doing this with you, and I hope to see you guys again really soon. Thank you. Love you.